For today's Tuesday tips, I'm here to talk to you about how you can get over your fear of creating a video resume. First, we're going to talk about what to wear. I know, it's a big question. I struggle with it every day. But the best thing that you can do is to wear what you're going to wear when you're on the job. And if you're still not sure what that's going to be, then wear your Sunday best or go business casual. Both are good options. Don't forget to brush your teeth, brush your hair, and smile. The second tip for today is to make sure that you write a script. Don't wing it. Write down what you want to say, whether it's in long form or point form, and then practice it a few times in front of the mirror. Really get familiar with the material so that you know what you want to say. And then, if you're still worried about not being able to remember everything that you want to say, that's okay. My tip for you there is to hang your script at lens level so that you can refer to it while recording without people knowing that you're actually reading from your script. Tip number 3, and this one's important. Keep it short and sweet. Under 2 minutes is best or you will lose your audience. Tip number 4, no editing experience? No problem. Get a Bluetooth camera like this one. Can't go wrong. This means you can start and stop while you're recording, and you can actually record in smaller chunks, meaning you don't have to remember as much in between sections of your video. Make sure you film in a well-lit area. The light should come from behind the camera and point towards you. Your background should be a light-colored wall, like this one. And if you can't do that, just make sure that the space behind you doesn't have too many distractions in them. This background is probably too busy. There's way too much going on. Don't sit somewhere like this for your video resume. But on that note, does anybody have any tips for getting their kids to clean up their playroom? And if you feel like learning how to edit your own video, but you want to start somewhere simple and easy, there are lots of easy drag and drop programs like Canva or Vimeo that can help you get started. Tip number 5, get creative. It's not expected of you to be able to create a video resume like Barney Stinson did on How I Met Your Mother. All you need to do is to tell your story. Tell us why you'd make a good PSW, why you'd make a good nurse. Tell us why we should hire you. And at the end of your video, make sure you add a call to action for that employer to head on over to your caring support profile to check out your other qualifications and certifications that will be listed there. If you don't want to talk in your video, that's okay too. Just pull a Love Actually and make sure they can see your face and add some music in the background. Make sure the music doesn't have any lyrics in it and that it more follows the line of what you hear in a really fancy elevator. Still looking for more tips? In the description down below, I'm going to list a few videos that you can take a look at for inspiration for your own video resume. And then if you still have some more questions, just throw them in the comments below or send us a message. We're always here to help you. Get out there and create your video resume.